When she smiles, her eyes are devious. She believes that love is like dangerous. When a storm hits, it turns to dust in our hands. The sun never sets and the moon never rises. They stay in parallel until one realizes it misses the other one. He's devious, his eyes scream mischievous when he looks at me. It's hard to believe that I'm still breathing, 'cause it's something you do that nobody can duplicate. I kinda hate the way I feel around you, 'cause now that I've found you, it's only a matter of time before you leave me behind. Time and space collided, immediately confided. Destiny and fate never had a say anyway. Dying to live and living to die in the end. Our class hands. She's alone and broken, the way she bears, she can't show him. It's not in his interest to know her at her best. These hands, they separate, but they always seem to gravitate back together again. He is broken and alone, but he's not budging.